say how awful that was.
Sing.
Well, I think I can.
But I just think you should give us a chance.
But a chance to do what?
To improve.
Yeah, girls, we have weeks, not decades.
Ma. Silly ma.
Oh, it's time again. Oh, man.
Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style.
Right, Holly, your mouth is far, far too big when you sing. I mean, it was like looking into a cave. I've never seen anything so huge in my life. And because your mouth is so big, this weird sound comes out of it. It was absolutely terrible. That song was like, it was like going to a zoo or something.
You don't use that kind of language. I told you about that. You don't use that kind of language. You have to speak proper like I do. When you meet somebody, come to their house, you say, hello, how are you doing? Say it. Hello, how you doing?
Yeah, sure. Just so I could be with you, babe. Okay, I'll be on my way home now. I guess I'll be seeing you tomorrow, and I'll be waiting.
Last year I described someone as being the worst singer in America. I think you're possibly the worst singer in the world, based on that performance. And I'm absolutely serious. I've never ever heard anything like that in my life.
Today, we are going to go out there and we are going to win this thing. 1, 2. It ain't no, I just gotta turn the tape over, excuse me.